Guys, this is the 8th episode in the series What is Truth? Season 3. Right now we are talking in English. So the topic for today's video is something which is related to knowledge and ignorance. Okay, what I mean by that is which side are we really doing it? Like knowledge, if you see, and ignorance, ignorance is about, if you look at it in terms of the memory also, it's about my not having the memory related to that activity, right? Not have the memory related to that concept, if I'm to be precise. That is ignorance, right? And how basically what I'm trying to do is link this in terms of like which side the responsibility should be on in terms, if you look at it as a balancing act. So if I don't have a particular information, let's say I don't know what is I don't know how to drive a car in Canada, so I don't have any memory regarding that, or I don't know anything about, let's say, dinosaurs or I don't know the a lot of different languages. So I don't know because I don't have a memory related to it, right? So you do understand, right? At what times in your life you say I don't know, right? If you think honestly, self-reflect, you will understand that most of the time it is because you have no memory associated with that concept. So now if I look at this world, is your world, is like present time 2022. What was this stuff which was force fed to you, or you were forced to have a memory about it? You're forced to have, like, there's a lot of stuff you are ignorant about, right? Also, right? It's not like if in schools whatever you study, that is the entire world. Now you have to know the full history. Now you know. No, it's not like that. I think it's going slightly tangent. But I will create a, let's say, diagram or something. So the point is, like, certain things in life, or what I'm pointing at is our existence completely, if you look at it. So the certain things in our life are like you have to know them, right? So you have to know Basically, at the age of 18, you are expected that you know, even before 18, you are expected that you know all the laws of your land. You know that. You are expected to know it. That's why there is a punishment, right? Otherwise, why would there be a punishment? And now, people think it's a choice, but it's no longer a choice. Like, you're expected to know very basic stuff, at least like maths, currencies, how it works, because how will you handle money otherwise, right? If you don't know maths. So a lot of this is like, let's put it in the category of feed it through a system or force feed it to you. Now, many of you won't be able to even imagine a possibility of different education system, because you have not, I don't know, I think it's too much of a linear world maybe that you have lived. Basically, if I am fed a propaganda or something, anything, any story about anything, and I have no device to go and check if it is real or it is not real, I will just believe it. And because that is the only memory I have about it. So it's like, let's say I discuss about you a planet named Chui. So Chui is a planet very far away from this galaxy, and like that there are like weird people living there. You can access it. It's a very interesting place. So you see now, Chui, you are familiar with Chui now. You don't know about anything about Chui. It's like a story fed to you. So actually what we are trying to do is like balance knowledge and ignorance, right? So basically what is happening here is, this is like knowledge and this is ignorance. So there are some stuff which are forcefully kept here, and this is forcefully kept empty about certain topics. And this I can very clearly show because it's like the history education. History education given to a white child in USA is completely different than the history education given to a South Indian person in India. So what are they reading? Are they reading their own version of the story, or are they reading the history? So forcefully kept in the knowledge basket, some of the stories that are kept to you, what you have to know, that is forcefully told to you have. Because that, and those are the things which are basically predetermined by the system. Basically this form the basis, like the individual bricks. You have to know about maths, you have to know about boy and girl, you have to know about this, you have to know about a lot of this is actually external. It's like laws, right? Laws, a lot of it is like morality also. Morality, laws of the land, constitution, whatever we call it. And then it's the morality, which is like forced, unforced righteousness. And then is the third one, it's like you it's parts of morality only, but like you have to know about certain ways of acting. This is how you act, this is how staring is in the world is rude, this is not rude. So every culture has their own like shenanigans, right? So they're like, don't stare at a person here, we're not allowed in Korea, Japan. And so everyone has different ways of doing about things. And but this is what is all of this, like forcefully kept knowledge and some things which are forcefully ignored. Did anybody actually taught you about why the religions happen in the first place? Did anyone told you about spirituality? It was taught in maybe in this side in the form of philosophy, but that is not spirituality. Spirituality is practical. This is not, it's not like a theory, right?